Let's use AI to make some extra money on the side. You know how stressful it can be when you go to a new city or a new country and you got to plan your whole trip? People hate doing this. I hate doing this. Well, here you come to the rescue. List yourself on Fiverr as a travel planner, charge very little money, $20, $30, $40, $50. But you're like, Craig, I don't want to spend time planning other people's travel for $20. The great thing is, you don't have to. You just go to roamaround.io. It takes 60 seconds. You type in where they're going, the date, how many days they're going for, and you hit submit button. It pumps out an entire itinerary. Saves them a ton of time. You made some money. It took nothing but copy and paste, and now you become one of the most popular listings on Fiverr. If you want to learn how ordinary people like yourself are making $1,000 to $5,000 per day with only 1 to 2 hours, comment yes below, and I'll send you a free 15-minute video on how you can get started.